Put some milk on the toast in the pan and you will have the most delicious caramel French toast. This is a simplified recipe of French toast without eggs, very easy to make and very delicious. In a non-stick pan, put 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Mix both sugar and water very well until they start to caramelize like this. In this step, add 1 tablespoon of butter and continue to mix until you reach this color. Now add 3 pieces of toast. Now add some milk for each piece of toast. 3 or 4 tablespoons of milk or until you see it absorbing all the milk and it's soft. When all the milk is absorbed and it takes this color on the other side, flip it. Add some butter and let it take a golden color on the second side. You can see how the caramel looks on the toast. It's very delicious and very appetizing. The smell can't be described for you. You should make it and you will know what I'm talking about. Serve it directly when it's hot. Put it on a plate like this. And of course, put an ice cream scoop over the toast. It's optional to decorate with caramel syrup or any type of syrup you have. You can see how it's delicious. It's caramelized from the outside and very soft and tender from the inside. You should try this recipe and let me know your opinion. I'm sure you will like it and everyone will ask you for the recipe. صحتين وهنا.